Graded Card Investor.
What's going on, guys? It's Matt with GradedCardInvestor.com, back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to cover the top 15 highest selling recently sold sports cards from 2003. 2003 was a phenomenal year for rookie cards. Lots of Hall of Fame players, lots of future Hall of Fame players. I want to keep these lists to only 15 cards, so some rookie cards didn't make it. Let me know in the comments below what rookie cards you think should have made this list. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Coming in at number 15 is a 2003 Bowman Chrome Terrell Suggs rookie card Xfractor number 128, graded PSA 10, a gem mint condition, current population of only 13, with just 16 submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on May 24th for $158. This auction was very surprising. Terrell Suggs, he's like one of the most dominant linebackers of all time, especially of our generation. He's a 7-time Pro Bowl, 2-time Super Bowl champion, 1-time All-Pro. I think he's going to be in the Hall of Fame. So $158 for a PSA 10 Xfractor. I was very surprised. His stuff in general is pretty cheap. So if you guys want to pick up some Terrell Suggs before he gets in the Hall, I mean, now's the time to do it. Coming in at number 14 is a 2003 Upper Deck Sweet Spot Antonio Gates rookie card number 173, graded BGS 9, mint condition, current population of only 37, with just 81 being submitted to Beckett so far. Sold at auction on April 24th for $280. These are serial numbered out of 675. Antonio Gates, he's gonna be a Hall of Fame tight end. Definitely made an impact to the game, guys. He's number 7 in career receiving touchdowns, right above Tony Gonzalez, Tim Brown, Steve Largent, Don Hudson. Career touchdowns, he holds the number 14 spot, above John Riggins, Barry Sanders, Tony Gonzalez, Tim Brown. Antonio Gates, he's going to be in the Hall of Fame. He's an 8-time Pro Bowler, 3-time All-Pro, and was a lifer for the San Diego and Los Angeles Chargers. Coming in at number 13 is a 2003 Playoff Contenders Quinton Bolton rookie ticket auto number 146, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of 18, which is 56 submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on May 25th for $371. 1-time Super Bowl champ, 3-time All-Pro, Quinton Bolton. He had a pretty impressive career playing with the Arizona Cardinals, the Ravens, the 49ers, and the Lions, ending his career with the Lions, 1 year with the Lions. Coming in at number 12 is a 2003 Playoff Contenders Jason Witten rookie ticket autograph number 117, graded PSA 9, mint condition, current population of only 10, with 32 being submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on May 25th for $425. These are serial numbered out of 599. Jason Witten, definitely a Hall of Fame tight end. Witten is number 4 career receptions at 1,228, beating Marvin Harrison, Chris Carter, Tim Brown, T.O., Reggie Wayne, Isaac Bruce, Randy Moss, all the Hall of Famers. So, and as a tight end, which is insane. I couldn't believe it. Coming in at number 11 is a 2003 Topps Chrome Troy Polamalu Gold Xfractor rookie number 274, graded PSA 9, mint condition, current population of only 11, with just 15 submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on June 6th for $474. These are serial numbered out of 101. Troy Polamalu, I mean, the car looks great in the Steelers uniform. He's a Hall of Fame defensive back, safety, 8-time Pro Bowl, 2-time Super Bowl champ. I mean, Polamalu, man, he's definitely relentless player. Love to watch him. Huge fan base in Pittsburgh. So I think his rookie cards are very collectible for many years to come. Nice looking card, guys. You got to check these out. Coming in at number 10 is a 2003 Upper Deck Marc-Andre Fleury Young Guns rookie card number 234, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of 24, with only 95 being submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on June 21st, $535. He currently goaltends for the Vegas Golden Knights. He had a pretty established career playing for the Penguins, winning 3 cups, 3rd place all-time career wins with 492, 10th for all-time games played as a goalie at 883, and 8th all-time career saves with 22,827. Coming in at number 9 is a 2003 Upper Deck Patrice Bergeron Young Guns rookie card number 204, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of 27, with just 86 being submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on April 15th for $2,313. He's a lifer for the Boston Bruins and currently a captain on the team. Coming in at number 8 is a 2003 Upper Deck Exquisite Chris Bosh rookie patch auto number 75, graded BGS 8.5, near mint to mint plus condition, current population of only 22, with just 58 of these being submitted to Beckett so far. Sold at auction on June 28th for $3,550. Chris Bosh, he's a Hall of Fame player, winning 2 NBA champions with the Miami Heat. He's 11-time All-Star, 2006 All-NBA, and 2003 All-Rookie. Coming in at number 7 is a 2003 Netpro Elite Rafael Nadal rookie card number G19, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of only 20, with just 28 of these being submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on May 31st for $14,100. These are serial numbered out of 100. Rafael Nadal is a world-renowned tennis player from Spain. He's won 20 Grand Slam men's single titles, which is an all-time record he shares with Roger Federer, and 36 Masters 1000 men's single titles. He's just one of the best tennis players of all time, guys. Rafael Nadal, $14,000 price tag. Insane to me. Who knew tennis cards would ever reach these prices? Coming in at number 6 is a 2003 Netpro Elite Roger Federer rookie card number G3, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of only 10, with 20 being submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction July 1st, $14,107. Same set, Roger Federer. This is his rookie card, serial numbered out of 100, the glossy version. He's a Swiss tennis player, one of the best, greatest of all time. $14,000 for his rookie card. Insane, guys. Coming in at number 5 is a 2003 Upper Deck Exquisite Carmelo Anthony rookie patch auto number 76, graded BGS9, mint condition, current population of only 28, with just 66 submitted to Beckett so far. Sold at auction on May 7th for $20,433. Upper Deck Exquisite rookie card. This set is going to forever be known as one of the most expensive collectible sets of all time. Numerous Hall of Fame players from the set: Melo, Wade, James, and Chris Bosh. There's also Jordan patch autos, Kobe patch autos. The list goes on, guys. If you got them, you want to get them graded, authenticated for sure. Coming in at number 4 is a 2003 Panini Football Portugal Cristiano Ronaldo rookie card number 137, graded BGS9, mint condition, current population of 49, with 160 of these submitted to Beckett so far. Sold at auction on May 9th for $22,322. Cristiano Ronaldo, another one of his early rookie cards. Tough to grade, tough to find, very, very valuable. If you got them, send them in to get graded and authenticated. Coming in at number 3 is a 2003 Topps Chrome Dwayne Wade rookie card Xfractor number 115, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of only 15, with 48 submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on May 21st for $22,522. These are serial numbered out of 220. Very collectible and valuable early Xfractors. I couldn't believe the price tag on this card when I saw it. I would imagine his Upper Deck Exquisite RPA would go for this much. However, just the Xfractor parallel reached this price. Dwayne Wade, guys, second best rookie card from the 2003 NBA draft class. Coming in at number 2 is the 2003 Netpro Elite Serena Williams rookie card number G2, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of only 19, with just 28 submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on July 1st for $26,107. We all know Serena Williams, her rookie card, $26,000 price tag for a PSA 10 example. I was very surprised to see this card number 2 on the list. Coming in at number 1, 2003 Topps Chrome LeBron James rookie card refractor number 111, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of 171, with only 611 being submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on June 16th for $75,600. I couldn't decide which LeBron James rookie card I wanted added to this list, so I played it safe. I went with the base refractor. I think it's a good neutral card to kind of get an assessment of where his stuff is at right now. These were up. A lot of these cards sold for multiple hundreds of thousands of dollars by Golden Auctions, these PSA 10 examples. However, with the recent sports card correction, they've come down a bit, $75,000, June 16th for 2003 Topps Chrome LeBron James rookie card refractor. Who knows how low they'll go, and who knows when they'll go back up. I'm assuming sometime before the next season begins. All right, guys, that's it. Top 15 highest selling rookie cards from 2003. Stay posted for more videos. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give the video a thumbs up if you like this kind of content, and let me know in the comments below what video do you want to see me do next. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.